Welcome. If you've ever scheduled an email in Gmail and wondered how to find it later, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view all your scheduled emails right from the Gmail app, so you can stay organized and in control of your messages. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into the account where you scheduled your emails. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap on it to open the side menu. In this menu, you'll see a list of different folders and labels, like Inbox, Sent, and Spam. Scroll down until you find the one labeled Scheduled. Tap on Scheduled, and just like that, you'll see a list of all the emails you've set to be sent at a later time. Each message will display the recipient, subject, and the exact date and time it's scheduled to go out. This makes it easy to double-check your upcoming messages and make sure everything is set just the way you want. If you want to make changes to a scheduled email, simply tap on the message you want to edit. Inside, you'll find an option to cancel the scheduled send. Once you cancel, the email will move to your drafts, where you can update the content, add recipients, or change the subject. When you're ready, you can reschedule it by tapping the 3 dots in the corner and selecting Schedule Send again. That's all it takes to view and manage your scheduled emails in the Gmail app. Using this feature helps you keep track of important messages and ensures they're sent at the perfect time, even if you're busy or away from your device. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.